going up to cinema. Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each and one of you. How are you all doing? I feel like to watch a movie again. I want a Moana 1 or Craven. Oh, sorry. Or what's this? Anyway, I'm gonna check upstairs. But before that, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, and to all my silent subscribers, to all my subscribers who've been supporting my channel since then, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my Facebook viewers, to all my new followers, and to all my 11 lovely countries. Of course, Philippines, United States, India, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, Russia, Mexico, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Brazil. I know, it's slow. Hold on guys. You know what guys, while I'm going up, I'm gonna make some reviews about the movie that I have watched last night, Wicked. You know what guys, it's a fun-filled movie, worth watching, recommendable, highly recommendable. And I really love the place where they have shot the film. I think more of it inside of the studio. And hold on, going up. There we are. I also love the cast, and Ariana Grande is some kind of an awesome. She's also fit for stage plays, guys and girls. They have a resemblance with Heart Evangelista when it comes on fashion statement, and there are some looks that they look like siblings, especially when they both speak. And I also love the other character, the one who's in green looks. And I also love Michelle Yeoh, and it's really a fantastic, fabulous, splendid, amazing. Oh gosh, there's no more cinemas available. I know what I mean. There's no more ticketing. They are already closed. Anyway, so here we are, Wicked. As you can see, spectacular. What did I say? Whimsical, magical, fantastic. Everything you are asking for this movie is really, they really have on this film. And overwhelming, and I'm thinking there will be a cat fight, but sorry, it's some kind of minimal, and they don't make this kind of a heavy cat fight. Just like they are just being how to call that thing? They are having like a conversation, usual conversation, and I love their voices, especially this one. Powerful. They are both powerful, and lots of dancers in here. And you know what, guys and girls, it's really a good feeling to have you in here in their place. So fabulous. And there's a part 2 for this one, guys and girls, so watch for it. And lots of surprises, lots of some kind of unpredictable scenes, and it's not a typical one that there's an evil way, but it's not being kind of hard or something this heavy or showing their harmful ways, their evil ways. No, it's not. So it's really a fun-filled one, and I feel like to watch this again. You know what? I didn't have the first part because I bought some food to eat to bring inside the movie house last night. That's why. But I know but the story is still on it, so I catch it up on my thinking, on my analyzation. What else should I say about this movie? If I were you guys and guys, watch for this one. Worth watching, and it's not waste of money. Okay, hold on. So there it goes. Okay, guys and girls. Bye for now. Thank you so much.